7 healthy foods to lose weight naturally. Number 1. Leafy greens. Get your daily dose of spinach, kale, and other leafy greens. They're low in calories, high in fiber, which keeps you full and reduces cravings. Number 2. Oats. Oats, slow digesting, carb, helps stabilize your blood sugar and provides long-lasting energy to keep you satisfied. 3 eggs. Eggs are packed with protein and healthy fats. Eggs support your metabolism and help control your appetite. Number 4. Greek yogurt. This protein-rich dairy delight is also full of probiotics that support gut health and help regulate digestion. Plus, it's high in protein. Number 5. Berries satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar spike. Berries are loaded with antioxidants and fiber. Number 6. Salmon. This fatty fish is full of healthy omega-3 fats that can help reduce inflammation and support a healthy metabolism. Number 7. Beans and lentils. These plant-based proteins are full of fiber and will keep you fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Fill your plate with these 7 healthy foods and watch your body thank you.